Keto, low carb, and sugar-free, packed with healthy fats and antioxidants, easy to make. Hi, I'm Sarah, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to make keto coconut matcha fat bombs. These fat bombs are perfect for anyone following a keto diet, or anyone who is looking for a low-carb, sugar-free snack. They're packed with healthy fats and antioxidants, and they're super easy to make. So, if you're ready to learn how to make keto coconut matcha fat bombs, let's get started. Here are the ingredients you'll need: 4 ounces of softened cream cheese, 2 ounces of softened butter, a 1/4 cup coconut flour, 1 tablespoon of erythritol or granulated sweetener of choice, 1 tablespoon of matcha powder and 2 tablespoons of coconut flakes. Directions for this delicious recipe are in the description below.